Hello, everyone.
The reason for asking
Advocate Mngomezulu, who's representing accused number 1 Moses Sibiya, is now grilling the state's driver, Captain Naya, who was driving Sibiya to do a point out. He began his line of questioning and asked the witness that on the 5th of June, when he was transporting accused number 1, who was communicating with Sibiya, was it him or Colonel Hadebe? The witness said he was communicating with Hadebe. Mngomezulu asked him if Colonel Hadebe was familiar with Vosloorus. He said he can't comment on that one. Mngomezulu said he didn't even bother to ask him about Vosloorus. The witness said Hadebe instructed him to drive to Vosloorus. There was no need for him to ask that question. Advocate Mngomezulu said that question is very important. He'll demonstrate it to him later on. Mngomezulu said when they left Albertine, did they join the freeway? He said yes, they joined the N3 freeway. Mngomezulu said, did they join it through Grey Avenue? The witness said if he's got a problem with the road, he'll show him. Advocate Mngomezulu asked if he knows Grey Avenue. The witness said yes, he knows Grey Avenue. They didn't use it. They're on ramp on Heidelberg Road. Mngomezulu further said that if you on ramp on N3, the first road is Spruit View. Mngomezulu further said the second off-ramp is Berry-Marais, Vosloorus. The witness said that's correct. Advocate Mngomezulu said the first off-ramp is Spruit View. It is also a route leading to Vosloorus. What made them to choose Berry-Marais as the entrance to Vosloorus? Because Mozi asked them to take him to Vosloorus. He didn't tell them to off-ramp in Berry-Marais or Spruit View. The witness said normally people choose that road that's written welcome to Vosloorus. That's why he chose that road. Mngomezulu said he's talking about him, not the other people, because there's two entrances if you off-ramp on N3. It's Berry-Marais and Spruit View. Why he chose Berry-Marais? He said it's the main road. Even them, when they go to Vosloorus, they use that road. Advocate Mngomezulu said he must stop talking about others, he's talking about him. The witness said in his testimony during a trial within a trial, he told the court that the accused is not familiar with Albertine, only if they can get him to Vosloorus, so he chose the easiest road to Vosloorus. Advocate Mngomezulu said Colonel Hadebe told the court that accused number 1, Muzika Ukalelwa Sibiya, said if you can take me to the entrance where the shopping complex, does he know that? The witness said he's not aware of that because he wasn't present when Hadebe was giving his testimony. Mngomezulu further said that he even asked Hadebe that there are so many entrances to shopping complex in Vosloorus. Judge Rata was so irritated and asked the witness if he was in court when Hadebe was giving evidence. The witness said no. Judge Rata Mokwatleng, who's presiding over the case, said he can't be asking as if he was present. Mngomezulu said he's putting what Hadebe told the court, because when Hadebe was told by accused number 1 to say, take me to this place, I will be able to point the crime scene. The question as per his evidence is, you just told the court that accused number 1 told Hadebe if you can take me to Vosloorus, to the entrance of Vosloorus. Hadebe said, take me to the entrance where at the shopping center. He's discrediting what he's telling the court that Hadebe was talking about shopping complex, and he canvassed that question with him. It's not only the shopping complex in the entrance of Vosloorus. What he's telling the court is not true. He's misleading. This is not what Colonel Hadebe was told by accused number 1. The witness said when you enter Vosloorus, the shopping center, he doesn't know which shopping center he's alluding to. Advocate Mngomezulu said now we are on the right track. And further said that will he agree that Lesedi is also a shopping center? The witness said he's not from Vosloorus. He doesn't know the complexes. Mngomezulu further said when you off-ramp on Spruit View, there's another shopping complex that has a BP garage. The witness said he doesn't know Vosloorus. Advocate Mngomezulu asked again that what prompted him to use Berry-Marais off-ramp. Advocate Baloyi and Judge Rata were fed up with that question. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.